Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add to list on Amazon. The first thing to do is to open the Amazon web app at amazon.com and log in using your account credentials. Once you log in, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage. From this homepage, locate the search bar. So use the search bar at the top of the page to search for an item you want to add to your list. Okay, so I'm going to click on that and I'm looking for it. And then punch the enter button. Then select the product to open the product detail page. So here's the product detail page for this particular product that I selected. On the product detail page, look for the add to list button. All right. So you're going to look for the add to list button, which is always below the add to cart. So we say add to cart here at the far right, and you have buy now. Scroll the way down and you're going to find add to list. Now, it could also be add to wish list depending on the context or depending on the interface or depending on the update you're using. Now, select add to list. If you have multiple lists, a pop-up will appear asking you to select which list to add the item to. Okay, so I have one item added to shopping list, which is pretty much the only list that I have in there. Okay, so you can go ahead and click on view your list, or you can go ahead and click on continue shipping. But then you can also click on the drop down menu in here to select the list that you want from here, or just go ahead and click on create a list. But once you click on add to list, then it automatically takes you to the only list that you have created, which is shopping list. Now go ahead and click on view your list, or go ahead and click on continue shopping, anyhow you want that to be done. So to view items in the list, all right, head over here to view your list, or you can hover over the account and list option at the top right corner of your Amazon homepage. Then click on your list from the drop down menu. So this is loading up. So here you go, you have the shopping list. So like I said, an alternative is to hover over account and list, then click on your account, and once you select your account, you're going to see your list. So select your list and it's going to take you to your list, or just alternatively just head over to your list in here and click on shopping list. And also click on shopping list, which is a list. You're going to see the list of all the lists that you have created. And mine, I just have shopping list. Now click on shopping list and that's going to take you to your list. That's how you'll be able to view items in your list. You can manage your list from your list page, which we have in here. So you can rename, delete, or share them. Now, to add items directly from the search results, some versions of the web app allow you to click add the list icon next to the product without opening its detail page, right? And that's pretty much it. You've successfully added items to your list on Amazon. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.